Hi everyone. Sue has let me know that you have had your initial library consultations or you have your consultation scheduled. I also want to remind you to complete all of the other library activities since they are going to have an impact on your final grade. Um, Having these consultations is really good. In week 5 and 6, it's a good idea to keep looking for peer reviewed articles to help answer your research question, um, just to kind of keep the pace in mind. Um, you're going to need at least 5 peer reviewed articles to complete the assignment for week 6. And in week 7, you should have at least 15 articles to discuss in your assignment. Um, this week, we will be taking a closer look at actual published literature reviews to give you a better idea of how to construct your own literature review. And just, again, another reminder, the first draft, the rough draft of your literature review will be due in week 7, and the final draft is going to be due in week 10. So kind of keep those on the radar and keep working on those. The backwards outline activity that we do this week is important in examining the genre of literature reviews, so the type of writing associated with literature reviews, and engaging in this backward outline is going to help you figure out the rules for this type of writing, for this genre of writing. Moving forward, I want to make sure that you are using APA format and citations, which includes both in-text citations and reference page entries as citations. I am attaching slides from the APA Basics webinar that happened today to give you a starting place if you're having difficulty. But format and citations would be a good topic to discuss with a Writing Center tutor if you're still having some trouble with them. I also want to let you know that if your format and citations aren't perfect, it's not going to affect your grade too much. If you have a misplaced comma here or one errant uncapitalized letter, not a big deal as long as they're mostly correct. However, if there are major flaws in your format or in your citations, it will have an impact on your grade. If you submit your papers on time and there are major flaws, you will have a chance to revise. If you submit your assignments late, I'm going to trust that you will pay particularly close attention to this aspect of your writing. So you'll pay particularly close attention to the format and citations. And that's the case because if you're submitting late, you aren't going to have the same chance to revise your paper. Additionally, I want to note that if you submit your work on time, it's very important for me to provide feedback to you on the Sunday or Monday that you submit the work. But if you submit the work late or you're submitting a revision, it's going to take me longer to provide you feedback. And that's just based on how my schedule works. So if you submit an assignment on time, it's really important to me that I get you the feedback immediately. And if you're submitting something late, I will get to it as soon as I can, but I'm just not going to be able to prioritize it in the same way. That being said, um, you know, the next couple of weeks we are going to be turning our attention to more academic writing, more academic research. So that means even if I'm not telling you to be going to the library every day, or going to the library website every day, you should be working towards that. Okay, everyone. I look forward to seeing your work, and I will talk to you soon. Okay, bye, everyone.